Hi everybody. As we transitioned from quarter one to quarter two, unfortunately there has been some access change between courses and for maybe some of that functionality that you may have been used to, such as adding people into your class, especially now that we have separate courses. We want to be able to add maybe a teacher that is a classroom teacher so they have access to your quarter two course for PE. Unfortunately, during that quarter one transition to quarter two, some of that functionality access was removed. So I'm going to walk you through how to basically go in and give yourself access to that. Super simple. I am in a course right now, and this is actually Nick Quinlan's class. So thank you for letting me do this. You can see that we've renamed our courses. This is kindergarten courses. These are our first grade courses, second grade, third, fourth, and fifth. We would have to do this for each feature for all of our published courses in order for us to add those students. So to make sure that this functionality is not available right now, I'm just going to show you what it would look like prior. So I'm going to go down to my people, into this course, which is my kindergarten course, and you can see right now I can't add that person or a teacher into my course. Super frustrating. However, I'm going to show you how to change it. Go down to your settings, which is on the bottom part of your page. You're going to see that this is my Carpenter's class, which is kindergarten at Phillips. Here are the start and the end dates for the quarter, and all I'm going to do is check this box. This box says students can only participate in this course between these dates. Once that I press the update course details, my course was successfully updated. I'm going to go over to my people in my course, and I'm going to see that that functionality is back. Yay! Thank you very much for listening.